Sa inyong lahat. It's supposed to be an internal bleeding, the internal reading of a play written by Brandon English. He's here.
Hello.
Si Gio or Giovanni Ortega is a member of the Circa Pinti group, which is a Phil-American theater group based in Chicago. I've worked with them for a number of years and a number of times since 1990. And we had some friendship and a relationship, working relationship together. At nagkataon naman na dumating dito si Gio at saka si Brandon, and they sort of raised the idea of why don't we have a reading of a play that he just wrote because they're all based now in LA, right? So gusto nilang marinig kasi the play is really set in the Philippines, no? So Brandon has lived in the US for the longest time. It's actually his second time to come here. So medyo gusto niyang marinig, no, yung the way mga true blue Pinoys reading his play, the way it should be, the way it should sound. So isa yun sa mga dahilan. And we welcome that naman since this has become in a way some kind of continuing partnership with Circa Pinti. So hindi na ako magpapaligoy-ligoy pa. I would like to introduce Gio, and he will probably give a few words about what you're going to hear. Again, like I said, this was supposed to be an internal reading, pero sabi namin, it's just these actors are just too di ba? Precious to be secret ang nila. But at the same time, by way of apologia, this is the first time that we're going to read it. So it's almost like a cold reading of the play. Okay, so medyo rin ang konti kung bakal lang mga ito or etc. But kanina gave a fast pasada, so mukhang kakayanin naman. Sige, maraming salamat. Si Gio will probably...
Yes, maraming salamat po for having this collaboration, Sir Roddy, Mark, and Tess. Thank you so much. We're so honored to be collaborating. My name is Giovanni Ortega po. I'm originally from here, tapos nasa States na. But I work with Circa Pinti. This is part of Kapwa Theater Project. It's our theater season, and one thing that we wanted to do is to engage with the Filipino community back home. Like Sir Roddy said, it's a kind of like an interchange and a universal exchange of Filipino Americans, Filipino in the diaspora. So how can we tell our stories but still rooted in our core of Filipino identity? But this internal reading is now an invited guest, obviously. So we invite you to listen to the story that we're about to convey. Tapos if you have any comments, we want to make it really authentic. Kasi most of the play is set here, right? It's based on stories that might be very familiar po sa inyo. It's about pageants. So without further ado, we present to you Tara by Brandon English.